Alright, so I just learned that my YouTube only allows me to record 15 minutes, so I'll know that for future. Anyways, so where were we? We were here, still on this part. This piece comes down here, collapses onto this part, which I need to get off now that I have my little pin out. I'm going to leave one side in, and I'm going to leave the other side out so I can remove that. You got to remember, guys, this can't be that hard. Everything has to go together and has to come apart one way or another. So there's our plunger. Here's what we found now that we're replacing. This, however, this is a piece of leather. What they did back in the day, they had this piece of leather that has a spring inside of it. You can see there's a spring inside of this, and inside the little cone. Hard to see, but you can see it there. Anyways, so I'll just come off, push it down. Well, good fucking spring, I'll tell you that. Alright, how do we get this off? I don't know why I'm worried about it, because... Alright. I gotta figure out how to get this piece off, so I'm gonna pause it. Alright everybody, I got back here. I figured out how to get this tube off the old one. Doesn't help you any if I don't tell you how I did it. So I went on YouTube, I looked up a bunch of shit, nobody gave me any fucking answers. On YouTube, these dudes seem to just run through shit, which is, I mean, it is what it is, you know? So the way this is set up is this tube goes to a spring connected to this little tab. This tab goes down into your carb.